Hi guys, I'm back. So I just left the apartment after filming this Get Ready With Me, and I realized that I did not shoot the intro. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look for a day of running errands, please keep watching. I've just had a shower and I've done my skincare, and I'm going to put on some sunscreen before I begin the makeup. I'm using this Neogen sunscreen that I got in Korea while I was there this summer. I'm gonna wear a little bit of concealer under my eyes. Concealer. I'm just gonna pat this in with my fingers. Now I'm going to set it with my favorite loose powder from Makeup Forever. Concentrate on the areas where I'm gonna be applying makeup, so like my nose area, my eyebrows, and my forehead, just 'cause it's really shiny right now. And I'm gonna set my under eye concealer. Now it's time for brows. I'm gonna be using these 3 products today. Oh my god! Dropped my powder. Okay, whew, we're okay. I'm gonna take this ashy brown color mostly, and just like a little bit of the darker shade, mix it, tap the excess off, and I'm gonna fill in my natural brow shape. I'm taking the Clio brow pencil, Kill Brow Auto Hard Brown Pencil in natural brown. I've been doing quite a lot of traveling this year. I did my first solo trip, first solo Europe trip this spring. I went to Porto, Portugal, which was amazing. That was so great, and I actually am going to Paris at the end of November by myself. And I'm really excited for that. I'm going to use the Colourpop Boss Brow Gel to set my eyebrows, to add a little bit more volume. It's funny because I have former students who've discovered my YouTube channel over the years, and apparently they watched my videos and noticed that I haven't uploaded in a while, and they'll ask me like, why haven't you uploaded videos this part? And sometimes I'll just like act like I don't know what they're talking about, like I don't know what YouTube channel. But honestly guys, I don't have time to make videos because you keep me so busy. I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring around my eyes and my nose because I'm not gonna be wearing much makeup. I do wanna create a little bit of dimension on my face. So I'm taking shadow into the hollows of my eyes, where my eye socket is. And then get it to my nose bridge. Just lightly dusting the side of my nose. I think this is my favorite part of today's makeup, or the makeup I've been wearing lately, is I'm using this Velvet Lip Tint as my cheek color and my lip color. So I'm gonna put on my lips first. Super smooth and easy to apply. And then I'm gonna take some, just a little bit, on my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. Using my finger. In the mornings when I'm getting ready for school, I don't have time to do all the things like I said. So just puts a little bit of color, and this velvet texture blends really nicely. So blending with my finger. Okay. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use these 3 single eyeshadows from Etude House, and I'm gonna take the first one. It's called Heaven Coconut BR405. I love using this color, like a daily base shadow on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna just put this all over my lid, kind of in the area where I did my shading earlier, or contouring. I'm gonna take a slightly smaller fluffy brush, and I'm gonna run that along my There's no mirror on here, on my lower lid. Just using my iPhone reflection. The older I get, I find myself not wearing as much makeup, especially like skin makeup, because I think it just makes you look older, right? Like caking on foundation, unless it's a special occasion. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love a full face of makeup, but just think there's something nice about, something really pretty about having like your skin show, like your moles and imperfections and freckles. I think it's fine, and I like having my skin look nice and fresh and dewy. Next, I'm gonna take this darker brown shade, BR408 200년된 초코가게. 초코가게, cute. I'm going to pack that color in, tap a little bit, and I'm just gonna take this close to my lash line. I'm gonna take that same color and I'm gonna take an even smaller dense brush and I'm gonna run that along that bottom lash line, just on that outer corner. Maybe take it out a little bit at the edge. Next, I'm gonna take this glittery shadow that I just got over summer. I've been using this a lot too. This is the BE105 Twinkle Wink. Twinkle Wink, so cute. I'm just putting it on my finger and I'm gonna tap it. There you go. Center. When the light hits my eyes, it's gonna look really pretty. I don't want to put too much, like I don't want it all over my eyes. Just in the center. But for the bottom, I'm gonna apply it with that little dense brush because it'll be applied a lot neater, applied more neatly. Again, I'm just focusing on the center. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. And my go-to mascara, the one from Maybelline, this one's so old, it's getting really dry. I need to buy a new one. I am such a fan of drugstore brand mascaras. I can't get myself to buy like fancy brand mascaras just because I feel like you go through so many tubes so quickly. Like I don't want to be buying $25 mascaras every month. And that's it for the makeup. Really easy and super simple. Definitely a lot quicker when I am trying to get my butt out of the apartment when it's a school day. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, get dressed, and then head out. I'm going for a more casual look today, so I'm just putting on this t-shirt that I got while I was home on Guam, tucked into a dark wash jean. And for jewelry, I think I'm gonna go no earrings, just my necklace and a watch. Usually I curl my hair, but recently I just retook my passport photo and I wore my hair straight for that, and I randomly liked how it looked straight. I feel like it makes me look younger. So I'm just gonna leave my hair straight today. We made it, you guys. That's the end of the get ready with me portion of the video. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and for watching this video. It's been so long, and as awkward and uncomfortable and weird as it felt doing it again, I did enjoy filming, getting my iPhone camera out and doing it this way. So hopefully I will be uploading more in the near future. I'm gonna head out now because it is such a lovely day in San Francisco. I hope you have a really wonderful day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!